Telkom Indonesia Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Telkom Indonesia products and plans are in the description. Telkom Indonesia, also known as Telkomsel, is the leading mobile operator in Indonesia, offering a wide range of services that cater to both urban and rural areas. With an extensive mobile network and comprehensive coverage, Telkomsel is one of the most popular choices for Indonesian consumers. They provide a variety of prepaid and postpaid plans designed to suit different needs, whether you're looking for large data packages, unlimited calls, or bundled services like entertainment streaming. Their packages cater to different user segments, from budget-conscious individuals to those who require high-speed data for work or leisure. One of Telkom Indonesia's major strengths is its expansive coverage. As the largest mobile operator in the country, Telkomsel boasts strong coverage not only in major cities, but also in remote areas, making it a top choice for users in both urban and rural regions. Their 4G LTE network is widespread, ensuring fast internet speeds for most users across the country. The operator also offers a variety of value-added services like entertainment bundles, mobile banking, and digital services, which make it a more versatile option for users looking for more than just a basic mobile plan. However, there are some downsides to consider. While Telkomsel's coverage is impressive, the data speeds can be inconsistent, particularly in less densely populated areas. Despite its large network, Telkom Indonesia's pricing is considered to be on the higher side compared to competitors like Indosat Ooredoo or XL Axiata, making it less ideal for those on a tight budget. Additionally, while customer service is generally reliable, some users have reported longer than expected wait times for support and issue resolution. In conclusion, Telkom Indonesia is an excellent choice for users seeking reliable coverage and solid data speeds, especially in rural or underserved areas. If you're willing to pay a premium for great coverage and comprehensive service offerings, Telkomsel could be the right option. Check the links in the description for more details on the latest Telkomsel plans and services.